Hi, and welcome to the Independence Public Library video tutorial on Beanstack. This is a way to keep track of your reading and activities online. To get there, type in your web browser, Independence Public Library. Once on the page, click the Independence Public Library website. Once on the library website, hover over Programs and Services. Then, click Summer Reading Program 2022. Once the page has loaded, scroll down and click Beanstack. Then scroll down and you can either click Register an Individual or Family, or if you already have an account, click Sign In. Then put in the required information. After putting in the required information, click Next. Then click Yes or No if you'd like to add a child. Now that we are officially in the Beanstack website, please scroll down and click Adults 2022 Summer Reading Program. After clicking the Adults 2022 Summer Reading Program, you can either click Join Challenge or Not Interested. Then you have unlocked a badge. Please click on Adults 2022 Summer Reading Program again. This will take you to your overview. This is where you can see everything you have done so far. Next, we are going to click Badges. There are 3 types of badges: Point Badges, Activity Badges, and Challenge Badges. Next to Badges is Rewards. This is where you can view the rewards available for the summer program. These are the prizes you can earn for the adult level. Once you get to 170 points by reading and doing activities, you have completed the program. There is also a bonus level which will earn you another prize for an additional chance at a grand prize. Next, we're going to click on Friends. This is new to Beanstack. This is where you can add friends to join your reading journey. Next, we're going to click Reading Log. This is where you can view and see all of your reading so far. To log your reading and activities, click Log Reading and Activities in the upper left-hand corner. You have 3 options: Start a reading timer, log minutes, or complete an activity. We are going to log our minutes. Once you are here, you can click the date you want to record, and then fill out the required information below. The title and author are optional. Then, when you are done, click Log Reading. After going through the adult program, let's explore the baby program. When signing in, when you get to the point of would you like to add a child, click Yes. Then fill in the required information and click Next. Then you should arrive at the baby profile. Everything in the baby program should be the same as the tweens and teens program and the adults program. The only difference would be in our reading. The baby program is different than the others in that you do not have to log reading. Each day you do 3 to 5 activities: read, talk, play, sing, and write to your baby. Logging these and other activities, like attending story time, will earn points towards completing the summer reading program. You are welcome to log reading, but it will not accumulate points towards completion of the summer reading program for babies. As an incentive for 2022, if or when the community as a whole reaches 500,000 reading minutes, there will be a water fight on August 7th. If the goal is reached, information about the time and location will be shared. Make sure to keep track of library activities as well as reading on a regular basis. And come to the library to claim your prize each time you earn one. As always, feel free to contact the library if you have any questions.